If you're here watching this video, then you must be in love with traveling. After all, there is no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this because the places to explore are endless. Having enough resources to travel to your dream destination is not just enough. You will have the best experience only when you visit there at the right time. So here we are with a new set of videos that could recommend you the best time to visit your dream destinations. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Aslam from Pick Your Trail, where we talk about all things travel for travelers, by travelers, from travel experts. In this video, we will be talking about Dubai in January. If you're not aware already, there is so much more to Dubai than just desert safari. Theme parks, mammoth-sized malls, aquariums, architectural marvels, luxury hotels, and some exciting events and expos that makes the whole world turn their heads to this beautiful city, and that's why Dubai is special. The good news is, Dubai's peak season is from November to March. Dubai being a desert city, it is best to visit the place during winter, and January is a great time to visit Dubai. The temperature makes it comfortable for you to visit different places in your Dubai tour packages without having to worry about the climate. January is a very special month because of the Dubai Shopping Festival. This is the time when the shopaholics can go wild. In 2023, celebrate another spectacular season of live entertainment for free. Experience drone light shows and fireworks night in addition to the amazing deals for your entire family in the 28th edition of Dubai Shopping Festival, which is being held from 15th December 2022 to January 29, 2023. In addition to that, you can go skydiving. You can either go outdoor skydiving or indoor skydiving. Go on a Dough cruise tour to see Dubai while chilling on the river cruise. Enjoy a ride on conventional wooden boats that are being designed and built by the local fisherman communities for navigation. Desert safari. How can you go to Dubai and not get on a desert safari? Well, you have so many options with respect to desert safari. Morning desert safari with barbecue dinner, overnight desert safari, camel safari in Dubai, private night safari, and stargazing are some of our customers' favorites. Hot air balloon ride. These rides start early in the morning, and watching the sunrise at a height is a blissful experience. Make your Dubai packages tour absolutely interesting by adding this activity to your list. Dubai's futuristic architecture, opulent nightlife, and the mild weather makes these experiences even better during January. When packing for Dubai in January, it is